Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, we've partnered up with SEAWEED Gel to review and demo their beginner starter kit. This kit allows you to easily get a professional and salon quality gel manicure and pedicure at home.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump right on into the video. The SEAWEED Gel Beginner Starter Kit comes with everything you need to do a perfect gel manicure or pedicure at home. You get some disposable pedicure tools like a file, cuticle stick, you get some buffers, some more files, and lint-free wipes. They also include some swatch samples of all their available colors in both the Unity and 3-step color gels for you to look at in case you're curious of how the colors would actually look on your own nails. You'll get the Stronger Base Gel Polish as well as the No Wipe Top Coat Gel Polish. This kit also comes with 2 color gels. One is a 3-step color gel and the other is a Unity all-in-one color. Also included in the kit is a perfect sized LED lamp. This is great for compact spaces or even travel because it's so small, but it gets the job done. You can also use the USB cord provided, or you can pop in some batteries and use it totally wireless. Also, the bottom part pops out so that you can use this for a pedicure. The Glow Mini Lamp also includes a motion sensor that starts an automatic 60-second timer when you pop your hand in. So this truly has all the bells and whistles for a good starter LED lamp. The beginner starter kit also comes with a huge box of soak-off remover wraps, and SEAWEED Gel also includes a towel so you can lay it out on your surface and protect it, as well as an apron so you can protect your outfit when you're doing your manicure. As you can see, you're getting everything you need for a perfect gel manicure. So let's get started. Before you begin your SEAWEED Gel manicure, you want to prep your natural nails. To do this, make sure your cuticles are pushed back. I'm using a wooden stick to do this, and then I'm going to file my nails into shape and then lightly buff the surface so that the gel sticks to it properly. Use the included lint-free wipes with a little bit of alcohol on them to remove the debris from your nails, and then you're ready to go. First, I'll be showing you how to apply the 3-step color gel system. The 3-step gel is a traditional gel polish formula requiring the use of a base and top coat. So I will be starting with the base coat, applying a thin layer of that to my entire nail, and then carrying that under the LED lamp. The Stronger Base 1 Gel Polish has a new and improved rubber base formula for stronger wear and quicker soak-off time, which is ideal for weak to brittle nails. Once the base coat has cured, it's time for the 3-step color gel. I will be applying one thin layer of this at first, and it's important to do thin layers so that it cures evenly. The SEAWEED Gel 3-step color gel polish is enriched with vitamins and minerals, so not only is it going to give you a long-lasting manicure, but it's good for your nails while it's on them. It also has a no shrinking, no wrinkling, self-leveling formula, and the color is not going to fade. While you're applying the gel, if you happen to get any of it on your skin, be sure to remove it before curing. After your first coat of polish is on, go ahead and cure it under the LED lamp, and then continue that process until you're happy with the opacity of the color. This specific color, Marshmallow, is a beautiful pale baby pink color, and this is going to give you 2+ weeks of high shine, chip-free color. And you guys, look at this shine. This is before I even put on a top coat, and this stuff is so shiny and smooth. After the final cure of the color coat, it's time for the No Wipe Top Gel Polish. The new and improved formula for this gives you a longer lasting shine, no cleansers needed, it cures to the touch with no tacky inhibition layer. This leaves your manicure with a high shine finish, you won't get any discoloration or staining of the gel color, and you're going to get at least 2 weeks wear out of this. Finish with one final cure under the Glow Mini Lamp, and that's it. Look at this manicure. It looks like I got it done at a salon or something. It's so shiny and the color is so even. I'm in love. So now I'm going to show you how to apply the Unity all-in-one gel polish from SEAWEED Gel. This is perfect for those of you that don't have the time to dedicate to a full-on manicure. This is the base, the color, and the top coat all in one bottle. After your nails have been prepped and cleaned, you are ready to go straight in with the Unity gel. No base coat needed. Apply thin coats like you do with the 3-step color gel and cure between each layer, and then keep following that process, building up the color until you are happy with the opacity. Unity cures with no tacky or inhibition layer, so after you applied it and cured it, you don't even need a top coat. You are good to go straight out the door. The Unity all-in-one gel polish is going to give you 2 weeks of high shine, chip-free nails, and it's going to strengthen and promote natural nail growth. When you're ready to switch up your manicure, you can easily remove it by first breaking the seal with some light filing to the top layer to remove the shine, and then saturate one of the cotton pads on the remover wraps with pure acetone, wrap it securely around your finger and nail, and then wait 5 minutes. Check on it after 5 minutes. Depending on how many layers you used, you might need additional soaking time, but once the gel polish is starting to flake up, you're ready to go. I like to use the pad on the remover wrap to wiggle it and break up the gel, and then you can use a wooden stick to gently push off the extra. Do not use excessive force, rewrap and re-soak if necessary. Wash your hands, and that's it. You're ready for a new manicure. And there you have the complete beginning to end process of applying the SEAWEED Gel Beginner Starter Kit at home. And if you're interested in picking up this kit for yourself, we actually have a coupon code you can use, and you can find that in the description box or here on your screen. If you'd like to watch more Cute Polish videos, you can click on these boxes here and click on the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here.